How to upload my music to Pandora. Welcome back to the channel, and let's get started. So if we open up our Pandora, we will find our stations and our playlist. However, we will not be able to find the option of upload my music. For that, you have to exit from your application and open up a browser. Search for how to upload music on Pandora. If you scroll down, you will see an article from Pandora itself. Go ahead and select the option given to you. It should most likely say information for artists willing to upload their music. Just go ahead and tap on it. Under Can Anyone Submit Content to Pandora, you will see a highlighted link. You have to go ahead and tap on it. So once you tap on it, you will be redirected to a new portal. In here, you can go ahead and write your first name and your last name. Once you are done, go ahead and find your release UPC. Once it is also done, go ahead and write your artist name, your release title, and your number of tracks. Once it browses through all of the suggestions according to your keyword, it will help to find a track and it will help you to upload it in Pandora itself. You can also register to the Pandora AMP playbook by tapping on the user icon at the very top and head to AMP playbook. Wait until it redirects you. Now here you have to tap on Get Started. Again, enter your artist name. Selected the verified account of yours. Now in here you also have to upload some of the identity that you are actually an artist and a rising artist or a renowned one. So for that you will need to have some of the verifications such as Twitter. You can also upload some of your social handles such as your YouTube, email, or anything available for you. And once you are certified and once you are verified, you'll be able to upload your music to Pandora. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.